Fans of cleaning guru Mrs. Hinch have been praising a cheap product that costs just 4 pence and can clean your entire washing machine in minutes. Washing machines are an essential part of the household, as they keep all of your fabrics clean, from clothes to bedding and so on, reports the Mirror. However, while this appliance keeps everything clean, it is worrying that we don't actually make sure our washing machines are clean themselves. Dirt from your laundry can build up inside the machine, and can create a massive breeding ground for bacteria, which can lead to mold and mildew. To keep your machine in tip-top shape, it's important to keep on top of cleaning it, ensuring greater machine longevity, and fresh-smelling clothes come washing day. So, a cleaning lover shared some advice on how to keep your washing machine clean, and how one product can help you do it in 5 minutes flat. Writing on the Mrs. Hinch Cleaning Tips page on Facebook, the Savvy Cleaner wrote, "So I've been seeing the trick about putting dishwasher tablets through your washing machine to clean the entire washer out. Well, I've just tried it. Just 5 minutes in and the water was already brown. Safe to say it works. My washing machine is now sparkling." Another member of the group praised this hack, saying, "Wow, just wow. I didn't think much would happen. Must admit I spent the whole wash just watching the water turn gray/brown." Top tip, I will be sharing. Another approved, I have just tried using dishwasher tablets in the machine on a 90 wash and the black on the door rubber has disappeared. Amazing. All you have to do is place the tablet into the drum, before adding more water in the detergent compartment and keep the door closed while you do this. This should be done until the level just about exceeds the height of the hatch's lower edge. You can grab a pack of 40 tablets from Tesco for £3.70, setting you back by 9p. Asda has them for even cheaper, priced at £1.34, which works out at just 4p a tablet. Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here if you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter,